24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in a real sense is drifting at $146,319,988, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ADA essentially acquired roughly 0.21% inside the in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Cardano's EM810 generally shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they generally thought. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the precise past week, acquiring 6.02% in a sort of enormous manner. 04 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these often especially got clarification on some things, facts. What explicitly is transient cost expectation for Cardano, most certainly is ADA a truly wise speculation, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth in a really significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the ADA specialized examination, certainly let us especially discuss the truly current economic situations, which certainly is very critical. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321 in a sort of significant manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $29,446,905,696 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39% in an extremely significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value decline of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano truly is drifting at $146,319,988, incredibly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP in a real sense is up by 3.63, and at present exchanging at 53 cents, showing that yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss this sort of current economic situations, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally huge way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market generally is going in a sort of descending heading for especially transient in a quite large manner. As of now, an especially broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of enormous manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they explicitly thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers basically become substantially more genuinely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers generally move extremely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which fundamentally shows that 04 October 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what truly is especially transient cost expectation for Cardano, sort of is ADA a wise interest in an essentially significant manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Cardano, ADA, Cardano execution ADA generally has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 0.21% in very most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very huge. The truly current worth of Cardano sort of is floating at 26 cents, with the exchanging volume of $146,319,988 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The in general market cap for ADA sort of is $9,119,705,535 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 6.02% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 04 October 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time span, basically made sense of underneath, exhibiting that Cardano's EMA10 explicitly shows a for the most part descending pattern, which sort of is genuinely huge. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving extremely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Cardano, or so they fundamentally thought. The ADA United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, is showing a sort of present moment generally sell kind of sign, as the MACD line basically is moving beneath in every practical sense, signal line which implies sort of bears generally are ruling on the lookout, so furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in his team. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While ADA's Williams %R pointer especially is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal generally is really conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that we utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels. Obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to especially investigate the future development of the Cardano, or so they truly thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13N by and large, is attempting to truly break out of the negative zone, while featuring gigantic negative strength, which basically shows that Cardano pick up bullish speed over the exact past week acquiring 6.02%, or so they for the most part thought. The Cardano explicitly has truly break all it certainly upholds levels, and things especially are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, showing how 04 October 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly, certainly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Cardano, especially is ADA a generally excellent speculation, which basically is very huge. Presently, for the most part bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take ADA cost beneath the critical help level of 35 cents, showing that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,087,907,108,321 in an unobtrusive manner. Determinations there had been a positive pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will generally proceed with its vertical development as truly lengthy